Hi everybody and welcome to the Canadian Redneck Channel. My name's Dave. Today we have a Super A here. We're going to be doing an engine rebuild on this. I noticed that the governor is a little wonky, not working quite right, so we'll figure out what's wrong with that and get that straightened out. Needs some transmission axle seals, and we'll check over whatever other general maintenance things that come up and get it tuned up, working right for their customer. So we ready to get started here. Start by taking off the tin in the front end and so on, get the engine out, get it stripped down so we can get parts ordered for it, so we know what we need. So I'll set the camera where you can see and we'll get going. So we have our engine disassembled. We're ready now. We can take our crank and the cylinder head to the engine shop in town. They'll check out the crank, probably need turned. Gonna grind the valves in the head and stuff like that. And when they get their job done, we'll know what size bearings and stuff we need to order so we can get the parts here to get the engine started going back together. So this is the end of part one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and as always, have a great day.